Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A, A2, and jetback pinsetters. Today we're going to be doing adjustment 36, the turret wire adjustment. To be honest, I didn't know there was an adjustment in the book for this. I figured this was just kind of one of those things where common sense, but evidently there is one. But this adjustment is made to ensure that the turret properly seats the pins that the turret accurately delivers, and that the turret accurately delivers the pins into the deck chutes. I'm not going to go off the book. A lot of these adjustments I've been doing for like the last 5 years, and I've always had success with these and this, that, and the other, and I just don't really want to deal with it. The book's probably going to complicate things anyways. Okay, so 7/16. I mean, you can do 2 wrenches, a socket wrench. Don't know exactly what this is called, but it's another thing that's 7/16. Turn off the machine, and basically, really simple. Okay, this is a turret that I have already rebuilt, but I can see that this one is off. So 3-pin, 2-pin. Okay. That is annoying as fuck. It's been in every adjustment video. I'm fucking stupid. So anyways, as you can see, the pin is not quite lined up with the spoon. Now granted, yes, you know, there is play side to side, but what you want to check for is because, you know, the pin primarily sits in the inside turret wire. So you want to make sure that when it's sitting in the inside turret wire, where it's sitting on the spoon. And you can see it's cocked this way, so we are going to loosen up the bolts, move it this way, tighten everything up. Super simple. And I've seen people before give me shit about these whole pin pocket things. I've asked around, and we've asked one of the guys that used to work at the other center in town, works for Kegel with these, and you know, it's the same answer for everyone. Well, it's not the same answer for everyone. Some people say they work super well. Other people say they fucking hate them. We're one of those people that they've worked pretty all right for us, so we're going to continue to use them. So just kind of move, keep the pin in the inside one, kind of move it side to side, figure out where it is. That looks pretty damn centered to me, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten up this bolt. A lot of times when I go through and adjust turret wires, I'll just take one pin and unlock the spoons and go all the way around. But I already had pins in here, so I figured why not. They also tell you that when they go and tell you what hardware to use, they tell you the whole quarter 20, like 1.5 inch bolt with a lock washer and a quarter 20 nut. I mean, that's all well and good, but some of these we've had to use quarter 20 lock nuts on because they just won't stop loosening up. So anyways, yeah, that's it, that easy. You know, go around, check your pins, see which ones are centered or which ones are not. You want to test for the inside wire, not for where it's sitting on the outside. And then, you know, there is also adjustment like side to side and everything else like that. You know, like this, you know, some people would say that that's too big of a gap or some shit like that. The only problems that we haven't too much of a problem with the ones that are wider, because they always seem to sit back in the inside. But we have had a problem with some of these being too tight, so then when it goes and it drops off the snubber into here, well, then it gets hung up halfway in here with the wires because the wires are too tight. So then all you have to do basically is just pull them apart. Like they'll tell you, I think the book says something about like the gap here should be like a 1/16 or something like that, side to side. It doesn't work for everyone. I've tried doing that and it just doesn't work for everyone. So we've just kind of been like, okay, well, if we put a wire on it and we see that the pin's getting stuck going down and it's getting jammed up on the wires and everything, all right, spread it apart until it doesn't touch it. This is one of those things where I mean, obviously, if the thing is like, if you have 2 inches or 1 inch on every side, then you should probably close them up. But a majority of the time you have, you know, if you can fit a finger in here easily, you know, on either side or one side, then you're okay. I just wouldn't go more than a finger width, you know. But the main important thing with turret wires and this adjustment is to make sure that they're centered on the spoons, because if they're, you know, if they're sitting like this or they're cockeyed or sitting like that or some shit, and especially with these corner ones, you know, if they're sitting like that and they go to drop, then this is going to drop right here on the lip of the deck chute. And then you're gonna have, you know, and then it's gonna go ahead and sit right here while the spoons are trying to close, and then they won't close and all this other stuff. So just save yourself some hassle, do yourself a favor, do some, you know, 10 minutes, check the center of the spoon, make sure the pin's sitting centered on the spoon, and you're good to go. Simple stuff. I hope this has helped somebody, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. More than happy to answer those. I'm still taking requests for videos. I'm getting a list going, and I'm gonna get to those as soon as the opportunities arise. So I mean, if you guys want to see me do something, let me know. If you feel like sharing the video, that'd be cool. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.